Why should you get your hearing tested? It's a great question. So hearing tests have been put to the wayside a bit. If you think about how often when you go to your physician, and even the other day I went to my dentist office and they checked my blood pressure, they check my pulse. My regular doctor will have blood work completed annually. They check your weight. There's all of these metrics that they measure and they compare it to what it was like a year ago, 5 years ago, maybe even 10 years ago. So they track the progression of how those tests are coming out to make sure that you're as healthy as you can possibly be. It's the same thing for hearing testing. You need to have a baseline hearing test so that we can see where things started from. Hopefully, it's normal. That way, if you come back, a year or 2 years later and you say, gosh, I don't think that I'm hearing as well as I used to, we have something to compare to. If we don't have those baseline tests, then we have no idea if it is worse or not, if it has changed or not. It really leaves us in the dark. So I have a little saying that I use, and I hope it helps you remember, and that is ears and rears. Yep, ears and rears. So what I mean by that is when it's time for you to have your colonoscopy, it's also time for your hearing test. So that's something that can help trigger you to remember that it's time to get at least a baseline set. So if you know someone or you are someone that hasn't had their hearing tested in the last 2 years, we do recommend having it tested every year or two, just like with your physician checkups, so that we can check and monitor that you're always hearing your best. And if we see any issues or problems, we can stop it before it becomes too severe. Check us out more. We're at hearingcarepartners.com, where we listen so you can hear. Ears and rears.